Welcome dear friends, Lorenzo from the LP channel here, and today we're going to do a little memory game. So as usual, subtitles on, use a dictionary if you need it, and be ready to stop and rewind the video if necessary. And this time I will explicitly instruct you to do so. Also, have a sheet of paper and a pencil ready because you will need them. Let's go. Now, this video is a sequel to But Of Course number 1. So, if you haven't watched it yet, well, check it out now. Remember, we had to concentrate hard to find the 20 differences between two pictures. And then we had to do the exercise again. Now, if you try to do it 3 or 4 times from scratch, you will notice that, regardless of the sequence, the last 3 or 4 differences will always be harder to spot. In the previous video, I mentioned my holiday in Greece. What I did not mention was that I had forgotten the Settimana Enigmistica at home when I was leaving for Greece. And so I was forced to buy it again at the airport. So when I was back from my holiday, I said, all right, now I have a fresh issue. Let me see how quickly I can spot the 20 differences. And I noticed that the last 2 or 3 differences were hard to find even the second time around and the third time around. And that inspired this little exercise that I am about to introduce. Now imagine you didn't have to find 20 differences, but imagine you had to memorize 20 words, like the ones in this list. Now some of them are very clear, some a little less, some are definitely mysterious. Now stop the video and study them for 1 or 2 minutes. Ready? Now, get a sheet of paper, stop the video and write them all down. Not necessarily in order. Use your piece of paper landscape-wise, like this. And write them in a neat column on the left. Here. Ready? Stop the video and write. Restart it when you're ready. Go! All right, how was it? Did you write them all? Well, probably not. Let's check. Now, read the list and find the words that you missed. Now, did you think, but of course, when you saw the words that you missed? You probably did. Okay, let's try again. Now, fold the first column back, like this. And try again. 20 words. Ready? Stop and write. Go. Now, I bet that the words you wrote first were the words that you had missed. Did it help? Did you write all 20 words? Probably not. Check the list again. And I'm sure you thought, but of course, once again. Now, fold the column back again and try it a 3rd time, and then a 4th. And you will notice that writing down all 20 words will always be difficult, even if you go, of course, every time. Now, while you were doing the exercise, I did it too. Here's my sheet of paper. And as you see, some of the words that I missed out were river and warehouse the first time, and surgery and shelter the second time. Well, a little trick might be to reorganize the words into small clusters, sorting them by context or by grammatical functions, for example, adjectives, nouns, verbs, or by any other criterion you might think of. Well, the moral to all that is, you don't remember the single word for 2 reasons. 1, you are under pressure, and 2, the word is out of context. But the word will just pop up spontaneously when you need it, and when you least expect it, if you submit yourself to this little high-pressure drill. That's a kind of indirect exercise that very few people do, but As you might have noticed, this is the most fundamental of all of my principles. So keep practicing. Use the exercise to build your vocabulary, use a list of words that you actually need, and mix the words that you need to learn with others that you know perfectly, so that you are under pressure, but the exercise is not impossible. If 20 words is too many, go for 15 or maybe 12, but don't make your life too easy, otherwise your brain will not get the workout that you are after. Remember to check out the other videos on the LP channel, and if you want to contact me for lessons that will be 100% tailored to your needs, this is the email address, info@lorenzopoletti.com. I am available for one-to-one or group lessons, either in my study or at your place, and for online lessons via Skype. I can also help you improve your presentation skills or assist you as an interpreter. I also do translations, text revision, and proofreading. So thanks for watching and keep learning.